I told you I'd be back. I'm gonna try to do a reseal on this tire. It's on a Chevy Silverado truck.
Yes.
Yep, so check it out. Gonna go turn on my air compressor and stuff right now. Blaster. Should work the job done for us. Definitely a first. Never had the jack fall off like that. All right. Somewhere. Right here. So, yeah, let's see what's good out of here. Filling my tank with air. Gonna bust that. can do it that way, but we're gonna see. Attempt number 2. Way too slow, guys. I didn't do that right. Try again. If not, we'll take it off and do it that way. Sometimes it's trial and error. Or I need a bigger bead blaster. One of those fancy ones I'm always seeing. That's what we do. Tip number 3. Nothing. I'm gonna take it off. So, tire's just a little too big for my little, I think it's a 5-gallon little bead blaster to get. So we're gonna take it off and use the bead blaster we have on the machine, and we're gonna use this bead blaster. See how that does. Oh, that's why it's not working, buddy. Your tire's done for.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Okay.
So check it out, fellas. This is what I found. Under normal circumstances, I think my bead blaster would have got it because it hasn't failed me yet, but this tire has a huge old gash right here on the side, and that's all she wrote. If you guys are looking, big old gash on the side, not gonna work. That's all she wrote. Luckily though, I do have a spare in there. It's a used tire. It'll be an additional $60 for that tire. Is that cool?
Yeah, one little work.
All right.
How much got good enough tread left?
I'll show it to you.
Okay.
$45.70.17, right?
Yes, I believe that.
This is a certified used tire. But look at it, she's probably better than everything you got on there. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a hand cut tire. It's a solid tire. Only thing that might have been done with it was they might have repaired it at some point, but the repair should hold.
Okay.
All right. All right, guys. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna install this tire on there. So I'm gonna stop this one, and I'm gonna take you guys inside the truck. All right. Alright, so you guys know the procedure here. Gotta turn on my compressor, turn on the generator, and go from there. You guys see that good? Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good tonight. Alright, here we go. First things first, turning on the generator. Alright guys, doing a tire change on a 245/70 R17. Originally got called out here to just do a reseal, but we found that there was extensive damage to the tire. So now we're having to replace it. Luckily I carried one in stock, and we're gonna get it installed for this customer. No need to bust a bead on this one. Already did that for me. Bother you for a second? Yeah. Will you hand me that tire over there? If you don't mind. Sorry, man. What I'm installing is a used hand-cut tire for a light truck, which is what he has. It's a hand-cut Dynapro. So a very high quality tire. A new one of these probably run around 200 bucks, but it's used, so we're only selling it for 60. Most truck tires don't have an inside or an outside, so you don't really have to worry about that. Like butter. And a little trick I learned. Just like that. Now I'm going to do I'm going to see if I can just get it with the machine's bead blaster. If not, I'll get the bead blaster and we'll blast it from the top and the bottom. So in the front. Sealing up just fine. I'm going to transfer it to my other truck. It just does it by itself. I don't have to step on it. That's it, guys. Another one, well done. Just waiting for her to pop. There went the back side. Now we're waiting on the top side. And it's gonna pop any second now. Hey, there she went. That was the bottom side. We're just waiting on top side to pop. And we'll be good. Anytime now. Imagine getting your finger stuck in there. Ooh, that would really hurt. Alright. Let's check the pressure before we keep inflating. Looks like we're sitting at about 25 pounds, and I'm just gonna finish it off with the one on the machine. I'm gonna inflate this one up to about 40 pounds. And we're sitting at 30 now, so we're gonna go all the way up to 40. Oh, look at this tire, that's a good tire. Don't bounce on used tires because some of these are solid. I'm at 35 pounds now, almost at 40, sitting at 37, 38, 40. All right. I'll put a valve cap on there, even though it didn't come with one. And that's it, fellas. You guys saw that. It took no time at all. Now I'm just gonna go and finish installing it on the car, and you guys can check that out too. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Cut the generator off. She did what she was supposed to do. And you're wondering where I'm putting it. I'm putting it right here. Wondering where I'm putting it right here. All right, let's finish putting this tire back on and get this customer on his way. Likely I got it high enough, but we'll see. There we go. All right, we're gonna do the 140 pound torque stick. For those of you who don't know, that's what goes on most light trucks, including my own truck, the box truck. Anytime I get a truck or something like that, I always like to tighten it down manually too, just to make Oh, should probably drop it before I do this. Already pretty tight, not turning it too much, just about a millimeter or so. All right, now we just put this back on. Sometimes there's a way, specific way they have to be on there. In most cases it's just a few turns on each one. That's it, guys. All done. I'm gonna put up my stuff and then we can start the business. That was it. Thanks for watching. Not you guys, you're on live. What's up? All right, man. We're all set. All right. Can you receive a link?
Yes. That's how we did the first one, I believe.
All right. Can you receive a link?
Yes. That's how we did the first one, I believe.
Wife hooked me up with this. Check it out. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? That's what we did there. We came out to do a seal on the tire. We found out the tire was damaged. Offered the customer a used tire. Happily accepted. Now he can go on about his business for tonight. And he just made the payment. Thank you very much, Michael. It was a pleasure helping you tonight. Call back anytime, okay?
All right, we'll do.
I'll send you a link if you want to drop a review. Really help the business out, okay?
And I need a link to your TikTok, please.
Oh man, I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Don't leave me out.
Really help the business out, okay?
And I need a link to your TikTok, please.
Oh man, I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Don't leave me out.
Really help the business out, okay?
And I need a link to your TikTok, please.
Oh man, I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Don't leave me out.
I'm gonna go inside the car and I don't blame him. All right. So this is the guy. Say hi. Say what's up.
Hello.
All right. Have a good night, man. Thanks for calling, and we hope you never have to use us again. But if you do, be happy to help.
You'll be the first to call.
That's right. I appreciate that. Be careful, all right? All right, guys. So same as always now, putting up shop, and tomorrow got to dispose of tires because we got way too many, and they're a hassle at this point. Lights off. Jack pushed all the way in. Door closed. Door latched. Don't worry, I have a lock for that. Learned a hard lesson last year. All right. Now I'm in the truck and I'm gonna tie my shoelaces because my boot got loose when I was doing all that at some point. But if you guys have any questions, love to hear it before I end this live. If you're interested in getting into the business, let me know. We're always happy to teach you the ropes until you can swing for yourself. Just tying my shoes. No comments or nothing. It's all right. Someday I'll get somebody to ask me a question on live, and that'll be the day. But thank you guys for watching. If you were watching, and if you weren't watching, you missed out. You should have seen it. It was awesome. But I always come out and make sure I didn't forget anything, because I'm terrible at losing stuff. Just checking that general area, making sure I didn't leave nothing, and we're good to go. Peace out, y'all. Much love, fam. Take it easy.